Hi, parrotfish lovers. As per the demand from BLUE Aquatics viewers, I am back with a new topic, and the title is How to Take Care for a Parrotfish. Friends, parrotfish is considered a beautiful fish because of its eyes and cheeks. Parrotfish are available in multiple colors in the market. But do you know they have only a single color? Other colors are made from dye only. At the end of this video, I will tell you the actual color of the parrotfish. In the meantime, you can write in the comments which color you think is the actual color of the parrotfish. So, continuing the video, let me introduce myself. Hi, this is Himanshu Suri, the owner of BLUE Aquatics World. Here you get the best experience for fish caring. So, let's start with the main topic and let me tell you about parrotfish care. Friends, do you know the parrotfish mouth never gets closed? It always stays in a rounded shape, as you can see in this video. So, if you have a parrotfish, closely check their mouth. If it's in this shape, as you are watching in this video, then it's okay. If the mouth is getting closed, as you are watching in this video, you don't have an original parrotfish. It looks like a parrotfish, but it's a devilfish. You can see clearly the way they are closing their mouth like other fishes. So try to recognize the original parrotfish. Now you know they can't close their mouth and thus are unable to harm any other fish. For fighting, they percussion into each other. Now let me tell you about its diseases. Parrotfish mainly got itch, and this usually happens because of stress. If you find that your parrotfish has got itch, immediately increase the water temperature and add some rock salt to the tank. To avoid this disease, maintain a proper water temperature and add many hiding spaces like clay pots, rocks, plastic plants. Another disease your parrotfish can have is swim bladder disease. It mainly happens because of unhealthy eating. You will sometimes notice that the parrotfish has black spots on its body or its fins. It happens because the parrotfish is stressed. Now let me tell you about the tank requirement of this fish. Parrotfish grows big. So due to this, the fish requires a bigger sized tank. The minimum tank size needed by a parrotfish is 30 gallons or more. As you can see in this video, there are many parrotfish. Some have hump also. The size of tank is 6 feet and living happily in the tank. Friends, these fishes produce a lot of waste. So, proper filtration is required. Water parameters required by this fish are very facile. The water pH should be between 6.5 to 7.5 and the temperature of the water should be between 25 to 28 degrees Celsius. If you notice a sudden change in the parrotfish color from bright to lighter shades, immediately check the water temperature. Check the water quality as well. Friends, parrotfish are omnivorous. They can eat anything that fits into their mouth, like boiled green peas, frozen bloodworms, pellets. If you want to keep your parrotfish healthy with bright color, I suggest you feed hickory blood red parrot food only. As you can see in this video, the color of the parrots is bright red. Colors of the parrotfish are multiple. You can get a red, yellow, blue, and green colored parrotfish in the market. Red and yellow being the most common color. Parrotfish are mainly of orange color. These colors get fade after some time. It's not possible to maintain these colors at home except a red. So think twice before purchasing an expensive colorful parrotfish and save your money. Also, tank mates of the parrotfish are equally important to choose. Friends, parrotfish is a shy fish as it requires a lot of hiding places. But still, this fish gets aggressive and can attack other fish. So always keep an eye after introducing some new tank mates to the parrotfish. As you can see, a pair of parrotfish with a flower horn and a big size peacock base. All are living happily with no fight. Even no black marking on the parrotfish body. This shows that there is no stress to any of the fish. I think these points are enough to tell about parrotfish caring. Guys, if something is missing, then do mention it in the comment section. I will create a video on that separately. Friends, keeping a parrotfish is a good experience. I have a separate tank for this fish. My family members like this tank more as compared to other tanks. Friends, if you still have any query or wants to discuss your fish problem, reach out to us in the comment section. And as usual, Blue Aquatics is happy to help you. Friends, for watching more such informative videos, subscribe to my channel Blue Aquatics. Your subscription encourages me to create unique and helpful videos and help to motivate this hobby more entertainingly. So do share this video with your friends and family, whosoever is practicing fish culture or not. So stay healthy and have a healthy fish keeping.